Are you envious of your friends who always seem to have money for the latest gadgets and trends? Do you find yourself constantly struggling to make ends meet? If you feel like you're stuck in a financial rut, it's time to take control of your finances and start working towards financial freedom. There are a lot of myths out there about what it takes to be financially successful, but the truth is, it's not about making a lot of money. It's about knowing how to manage the money you have. By following some simple steps and making some small changes in your spending habits, you can start down the path to financial freedom. So why not get started today? In this video, we share 12 simple steps to financial freedom. Way number 1. Define your goals to become financially free. What do you want to achieve financially? Achieving financial freedom can be a great challenge, but setting goals is the key to making it possible. Knowing what you want to accomplish financially gives you direction and motivation to stay on track and reach your money goals. Whether it's paying off debt or investing in a retirement plan, having a specific definition of success will make attaining financial freedom easier. Put thought into what you aim to achieve in the short and long term. Determine the steps necessary to get there and focus on your path so that you can have the financial security you desire. Number 2. Make a budget and stick to it. Track your spending and find areas where you can cut back. One of the most important steps in achieving financial freedom is creating and consistently adhering to a budget. It can be beneficial to track your spending over time so that you can have a good understanding of where your money is going and where it's being spent excessively. Once you've been able to identify those areas, it will become much easier to prioritize them and make necessary changes in order to keep your spending under control. Start small. Even minor adjustments such as exchanging pricey morning coffees for home-brewed cups or packing a lunch for work every day can add up over time and greatly impact your financial security. Number 3. Staying cash flow positive. This means that your income must be greater than your expenses so you can build up savings and investments over time. It may sound daunting, but with some simple lifestyle changes and planning, it's easy to transition into a cash flow positive state. Start by tracking your income and spending habits. Then analyze where you can cut back in order to put more money aside each month. With a commitment to sticking with the plan, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Number 4. Create an emergency fund. Life frequently does not go as expected. Without adequate planning, your finances may suffer when your automobile breaks down, you encounter unanticipated health problems, or you suffer damage from a natural disaster. You can weather the storm and prevent racking up credit card debt by setting up an emergency fund, rather than taking money out of your savings and investment accounts. Think about saving 3 to 6 months worth of spending in an account that pays interest and is simple to get to when you need it. Remember that tax-advantaged retirement accounts may be difficult to access, so they shouldn't be your primary source of emergency cash. Number 5. Be liquid to get financial freedom. When it comes to achieving financial freedom, having a liquid capital base is a great way to realize your dreams. This means that you should maintain a higher percentage of your net worth in cash and cash equivalents such as money market accounts and high-yield savings accounts. This liquidity allows you to take advantage of any opportunity or life change that may arise which could save up more money on top of what you already have set aside for yourself. Following simple steps such as budgeting and looking for deals can help you be more liquid and thus reach personal financial freedom much sooner. Number 6. Invest in your own health. You might be surprised to learn that maintaining good physical health might help you financially. Unfortunately, it's also true that poor health maintenance can harm your financial objectives. If you use up your paid time off and still need to skip work, for instance if your firm only allows a certain number of sick days, you risk losing money. Additionally, certain health issues may cause a sharp increase in your insurance prices. And poor health may cause you to retire earlier than you had planned, which would result in a lesser monthly income than you had anticipated. On the plus side, you may make a crucial investment in your physical and financial health by seeing doctors, dentists, and other healthcare professionals on a regular basis, and by listening to their advice about any problems that may occur. Simple lifestyle adjustments such as regular exercise and a nutritious diet can prevent or manage many medical conditions. Number 7. Pay down debt to become financially free. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like you'll never get ahead? If so, it might be time to start making a plan for financial freedom. One of the key steps to achieving your financial goals is paying down debt. By reducing or eliminating your debt, you can free up more money each month that can go towards building wealth and reaching other financial goals, such as buying a house or investing in stocks. Paying down debt also reduces stress, allowing you to enjoy life without worrying about how much money is coming in or going out each month. With a little planning and commitment, anyone can become financially free by paying down their debts. The first step in paying down your debt is to figure out how much you owe and make a budget that works for you. Take stock of all your debts, credit cards, student loans, car loans, payday loans, etc., and make a list so that you can see exactly how much money you need to pay back each month. Number 8. Don't take on unnecessary responsibilities to become financially free. Taking on too many responsibilities can create a roadblock on your path to financial freedom. Unfortunately, some investments may seem like an opportunity to secure more income and wealth, but often involve risks that outweigh any potential gains. To free up your finances, focus instead on building self-discipline and developing reliable systems for budget management by setting achievable and realistic goals for the short term and long term. Consistent use of these strategies should be your primary way to achieve financial security in a safe and responsible manner. Number 9. Invest in yourself. This can mean to save up for retirement or a major purchase to become financially free. Taking steps like setting aside money for retirement can lead to peace of mind and greater stability in your personal finances. It's important to think of these investments as a priority and make sure you're contributing on a regular basis, so that when the time comes, you will have the necessary funds available. With careful planning and execution, investing in yourself could be the best decision you make towards becoming financially free. Number 10. Live below your means. Don't spend more than you earn and avoid debt as much as possible to gain financial freedom. Instead of depending on debt or borrowing money, try to focus on making sure that you don't spend more than you actually earn. This might require some discipline and careful budgeting, but it will help you keep on track for long-term financial success by avoiding high interest rates and other costly traps. Adhering to this practice not only sets you up for being financially secure, but can help lessen the stress associated with running out of funds before your next paycheck. Number 11. Build an investment portfolio. Building an investment portfolio is a great way to get on the path to financial freedom. It can help you make the most of your money, minimizing risk, and create lasting wealth. With an investment portfolio, you can diversify your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and others. Expertly managing this balance over time can lead to significant returns that will help you meet both long-term and short-term financial goals. To successfully build an investment portfolio, it's important to do your research and understand the market so you can make well-informed decisions backed by insights. Number 12. Stay disciplined. Financial freedom takes time and effort, but it's worth it. If you're looking to become financially independent, staying disciplined is key. It takes time and effort to build up a nest egg and make progress towards financial freedom, but having the end goal in mind will help keep you motivated. Establishing good financial habits such as budgeting, saving, and investing over time can yield long-term returns that will be worth the commitment. It's never too soon to start taking steps towards your financial goals. Get organized and stay disciplined. It may take a while, but that ending point of reaching financial freedom is well worth the wait. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but if you're willing to put in the work, it is achievable. By following these simple steps and remaining disciplined, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your journey to financial freedom today. Now we're at the end of this video. If you got value from this video, you'll also like these videos. Thanks for spending time with us.